Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Bentgo Prep 60-piece meal prep kit, perfect for organizing your meals. This set includes 10 one-compartment, 10 two-compartment, and 10 three-compartment trays, each with a custom-fit lid. The trays have portion-controlled volume markings, so no need to measure your food every time. You can safely microwave, freeze, and clean these containers in the dishwasher. Just remember to vent the lid when heating. Made from durable, BPA and PFAS-free materials, they're reusable and eco-friendly for everyday use. These lightweight containers stack neatly to save space and are easy to carry anywhere. With this set, meal prepping for yourself or your family becomes simple, convenient, and organized. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.